welcome to SmartBlox. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to play old Roblox. Wondering what that means? And basically, I'm going to teach you how to play old Roblox games, and you're going to be like playing in old Roblox, in the old versions of Roblox. So I found this game called Super Noziliga Zone. I don't know how to say it, but you can go ahead and search that up. So the game will be in the link of the description below, but you can just look it up right here, and it will quickly show up. And then what you want to do is enter the game. Alright, we are in. They look like old Roblox already. I was in Roblox in this version too. So there's a whole bunch of games that you can customize your avatar. And basically this is the Roblox site. So we can go ahead and buy things here, but I don't have enough ticks. We can find shirts, so these look cool, I guess, and we can go ahead and play a game. So let's play a game. What is a good game to play, guys? King of the Hill, that seems fun. And here we go, guys, we are in this game, and you guys can see it's just like a regular old game, but it looks really old. And yeah, we just died right there. So what you guys can do is go ahead and play, and yeah, there's a whole bunch of games, so let's have a quick montage of this King of the Hill game. Then we can go ahead and play another game, but as you guys can see, you can go ahead and fall in and out, and it looks like that, and it's just kind of bad. So this guy's probably gonna drop a boulder on me. So yeah, let's start the montage. Alrighty guys, so that was a pretty nice short montage of this game, and you guys can kind of see what it's like. So you guys saw how it was like to be king and being a peasant in this weird game, I guess. And this guy's gonna die right now because I am better than him, and nope. Okay. So yeah, that's this game. So let's move on to another game. In this game, the game has a game in a game. I don't understand this anymore. But yeah, let's move on to another game. So just hit exit, and then we can go ahead and let's find another one. Sword fights. Let's look at this one. And yeah, we're only going to be playing 2 games today. So yeah, we are having a sword fight in this game. Woo! Sword fight, woo! So like get that spawn. think I'm gonna die because I'm a total pro. Oh! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! So yeah, I can go ahead and do another montage right now in this game. Woo! Alrighty guys, we had a pretty good gameplay on this game too. I don't think it's that much of fun, but yeah, those are basically the games right now. And yeah, I hope this was helpful to find how to play old Roblox. Because old Roblox, we all want to go black in the past, right? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped. And if it did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. And yeah guys, I'll see you all in the next video tomorrow. Bye.